Hello everyone, welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I gonna watch Sarah Geronimo. I think the title is Tala. Am I correct? Tala. And I heard she is really famous singer and dancer in the Philippines, and one English teacher. She said, this person, Sarah Geronimo, is the best well-known person in the Philippines. So I'm gonna try to react to her performance, all over performance today. Okay, and before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go.
Siguro nga masyadong mabilis ang pagyanig ng puso ko para sa puso mo. Siguro nga ako ay makulit, ayaw makinig sa takbo ng isip. Hindi ko maipilit, tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daan. Dinahagdapagiling ka kung umabot tayo.
Yeah, good dance.
Kapitan ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga kaya. Ang dilim ng mga talay, nakikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Ngunit maaari bang kahit napansamantala lang, ikaw
Movements are really smooth.
tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daan. Dinahagdapagiling ka kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo. Kapitan ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga kaya.
Yeah, so Tala.
Nakikita ko sa iyong mga mata.
Okay. Okay, I'll subscribe your video. Okay. Okay. Subscribe. I subscribed. Okay. Sarah, I subscribed your channel. Yeah, she performs really well. Uh, Dance is good, really smooth, and also her voice is clear, and really she makes really gentle voice, I think. Hmm. Unlike powerful, mm, like that. But one of, yeah, definitely one of the good singers in the Philippines. Okay, today the video is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you again.